Want to switch your Jeep Wrangler 4's speedometer from MPH to KMH or vice versa? This video provides a straightforward guide for 2018 present models, JL and JM generations. We'll cover how to easily adjust the display without needing special tools or dealer assistance, using the Uconnect system and, for newer models, even the Jeep app. For Jeep Wrangler 4 models with Uconnect, typically the 2018-2023 JL models, start by turning on your vehicle. This powers up the Uconnect system. On the Uconnect touchscreen, navigate to Settings, then select Vehicle from the Settings menu. Finally, select Units. This menu controls various display settings, including the speedometer. Within the Units menu, you'll find options for distance, temperature, and fuel economy. Locate the distance setting, which controls the speedometer display. Toggle between MPH, miles per hour, and KMH, kilometers per hour, according to your preference. The change should take effect immediately. For 2024 and newer JM models, especially those with the 12.3-inch digital cluster, you may be able to change the speedometer units via the Jeep Wave app. Ensure your app is updated to access the latest features. Within the app, look for Vehicle Settings or Customization options. Find the unit display settings to toggle between MPH and KMH. After changing the unit, verify that the speedometer displays the correct unit by checking the digital readout. For example, if you switch to kilometers per hour, ensure the display shows kilometers per hour instead of mph. Remember that changing the display units doesn't alter local speed limits or vehicle performance. Speed limits are determined by road signage and local laws, not by your dashboard settings. Always drive according to the posted signage, regardless of what units your speedometer shows. Safety should be your top priority. Also note that the engine control unit calculates vehicle speeds in native units, typically the units the vehicle was manufactured for, and then converts them for display on your dashboard. This ensures accurate speed calculations while allowing flexible unit presentation. If you can't find the Units menu in your Uconnect system, it might need a firmware update. Contact your local Jeep dealership for a free update or check if you can download and install it via USB. This mainly applies to older 2018-2020 JL models. Recent developments include over-the-air updates allowing remote unit changes through the Jeep Wave app. This feature enables users to switch speedometer units from their smartphone without visiting a dealership. Stellantis reports that over 80% of new Wranglers now come with this capability pre-enabled. The update process is shown on the vehicle's infotainment screen, providing a seamless way to apply firmware changes. This reflects Stellantis' commitment to global standardization, making the Jeep Wrangler more adaptable for international drivers while enhancing overall user convenience. Looking ahead to future trends in Jeep Wrangler unit switching, expect automatic changes based on location through geofencing technology. This creates virtual boundaries that detect when you cross into different regions, automatically switching between MPH and KMH to match local standards. AI-driven integration with navigation systems will make these changes seamless. As you follow routes on apps like Google Maps, the vehicle's display could automatically adjust units when entering metric or imperial zones, improving safety by matching road signs. In upcoming electric Wranglers, unit displays may connect to energy efficiency metrics. This could show how speed affects battery range in real time, optimizing performance while maintaining user-friendly unit conversions. Overall, these features are evolving to enhance safety and usability through software-defined vehicle advancements, with Stellantis predicting widespread adoption by 2028.